The Children's Home of Cincinnati is putting more counselors in local schools. That organization now provides mental health services for more than 80 schools in our area, including Cincinnati public schools.
That's right. And 9 on your side, gebre-ab tells us why this is so important in light of the recent violence.
We were getting more calls and more demand for our services, and quite frankly, we had to say no to many schools until we were able to hire the staff.
The Children's Home of Cincinnati has almost doubled its staff in the last 4 years, now employing 410 licensed counselors, social workers, educators, and more. Debbie Gingrich, Vice President of Behavioral Health, says they hired 30 more mental health providers just this summer.
We are having a lot of calls from schools that kids need not just 1 hour of counseling a week. They really have students who need daily care, you know, that they're really struggling every day.
Accordingly, the Children's Home is providing as many as 8 counselors in some schools. Gingrich, who's a licensed social worker, says that includes students coming from around Price Hill and downtown due to the record violence there this summer.
It's been a really tough summer. We've seen youth being involved in homicide. So in those areas, you know, we have specific call to action to say we know this is going to be a challenge for the students.
In response to the mass shooting in Dayton, during his address on Tuesday, Governor Mike DeWine stressed the need for more counselors and mental health resources in schools.
The risk of this happening every day in our community is there, and it's real. We want to make sure that we are on the front lines. We're in the front lines every day.
So they hope getting more counselors in local schools will help prevent more violence.
We need to intervene early. We know that if the earlier we intervene, the better the outcome and the more likely we are to change the outcome.